Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, October 30th of 2018. Here are some morning announcements for today. For October birthdays, we have two of them today, Lincoln Day and Kelsey Young. Happy birthday to both of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. And then staff and students, we are scheduled to have our Halloween parties Wednesday, which will be October 31st at 1:30 until 1:55. Lunch choices are hot dog, beef nachos, and parfait with graham cracker. And today our fourth grade students who are helping out with PAWS have decided to focus on having a positive attitude.
Okay, boys and girls, we're working on our PAWS for this week, and the one that we thought we'd work on for today is positive attitude. So we have some examples of positive attitude for us.
Don't doubt yourself.
Always be happy.
Be kind to others.
All very good things about keeping a positive attitude. Thank you very much.
Thank you, boys and girls. That was very good choices today for positive attitude and what you can do for yourself to make sure you stay positive at all times. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Okay, if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job. Thank you guys very much for that excellent Pledge of Allegiance today. Okay, boys and girls, let's make it a great day. Remember, choices are yours, so make good ones. I'll be looking out for all those good choices today that all of you guys I'm sure will be doing. Have a great day.